The local doctors are also warning people about another respiratory disease that can be fatal, especially with little ones. We're talking about whooping cough. Doctors at the University of South Alabama Medical Center say they have seen some 78 cases this year. That is up 8 cases from last year. Pertussis can affect infants, children, and adults, but it can be prevented with vaccinations.
Yes, whooping cough can definitely be prevented through vaccination. We have very effective vaccines against whooping cough. All children during the first year of life should be immunized against whooping cough.
According to the Mobile County Health Department, the spike in pertussis cases started in May.